Good morning, students. Today's topic is molecular mass. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance. It is the relative mass of a molecule which is shown in the terms of atomic mass unit. This is denoted by U. U means unified mass. Then one question arises, how can you calculate the molecular mass of a molecule? Then we take first example like H2O. Hydrogen and oxygen means water contains two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. Then we can apply the formula, that is molecular mass of H2O is equal to 2 is the atom of hydrogen multiply atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 multiply 1 is the atom of oxygen multiply atomic mass of oxygen. To find out the molecular mass, first of all we have to learn the atomic mass table. This is the atom of hydrogen, 2 multiply 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 is oxygen atom multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16, then it is equal to 18U. 18U is the molecular mass of water. U is the unit, means unit, that is unified mass. Now next example is NH3, ammonia molecule. 1 atom of nitrogen multiply atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 atom of hydrogen multiply atomic mass of hydrogen. 1 multiply atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 plus 3 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. After multiplying, answer is 14 plus 3, that is equal to 17U. Now next example is sulfur dioxide. 1 atom of sulfur multiply atomic mass of sulfur plus 2 atom of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. Here 1 multiply 32 because atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus 2 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16, that is equal to 64U. This is the total molecular mass of SO2 molecule. Now next is fourth example is HCl. Hydrogen atom is 1 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 atom of chlorine multiply atomic mass of chlorine. 1 multiply 1 plus 1 multiply 35.5. 35.5 is the atomic mass of chlorine atom, that is equal to 36.5U. Next example O2 means 2 atom of oxygen multiply atomic mass of oxygen. 2 multiply 16, that is equal to 32U. Now next is carbon monoxide. 1 multiply 12 plus 1 multiply 16, that is 12 plus 16, 28U. Seventh example, that is CH4. Its name is methane. 1 atom of carbon multiply atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 4 atom of hydrogen multiply atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 that is equal to 12 plus 4, that is 16U. Now next example is C2H4. 2 atom of carbon multiply atomic mass of carbon plus 4 atom of hydrogen multiply atomic mass of hydrogen. 2 multiply atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 4 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen means 4 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen is 1U. That is 12 to the 24, 24 plus 4, that is 28U. Now next is CH3OH. Its name is methanol. 1 atom of carbon multiply atomic mass of carbon, that is 12 plus total hydrogen is 3 here and 1 here, total is 4. So 4 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 atom of oxygen multiply atomic mass of oxygen. Then 1 multiply, this is atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 4 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 1 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16. After multiplying, this is the answer, 12 plus 4 plus 16, that is 32U. Now the next topic is formula unit mass. Formula unit mass is used for ionic compounds in which individual molecules don't exist. So it is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms or ions present in a formula unit of an ionic compound. The formula unit mass is also calculated in the same manner as we calculate the molecular mass. Here we take the example, 1 formula unit of NaCl means sodium chloride, that is made up of 1 sodium ions and 1 chloride ions. 1 multiply atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus 1 multiply atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. Then answer is 58.5U. Formula unit mass is calculated in the same manner. Now next example is copper sulfate. 1 copper 2 plus ions and 1 SO4 2 minus ions. This is sulfate ions. 1 atom of copper multiply, but atomic mass of copper is 63.5 plus 1 multiply, this is sulfur atom 32 plus 4 oxygen atom, 4 multiply 16, that is 63.5 plus 32 plus 64, that is 159.5U. So only a small difference between the molecular mass and formula unit mass. Molecular mass is used for calculating the atomic mass of all the atoms in a molecule, but formula unit mass is the sum of atomic mass of all the ions present in a ionic compound. Formula. But the formula unit mass calculation is same as that, like a molecular mass. Because in formula unit mass, the ionic compound don't made up of molecules. So the use of the term molecular mass for them is not correct. So its name is formula unit mass. Now we take next example, that is Na2O. Here 2 multiply 23. 23 is the atomic mass of sodium plus 1 multiply atomic mass of oxygen 16, and that is equal to 46 plus 16, that is 62. Now next example is K2CO3. Here 2 multiply atomic mass of potassium is 39 plus 1 multiply atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 3 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16, and this is 138U. Fifth is ZNO. 1 multiply atomic mass of zinc is 65 plus 1 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16, that is equal to 81U. Next example is NaOH. 1 multiply atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus 1 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16 plus 1 multiply 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. After calculating, that is 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is 40U. Now next is NaHCO3. 1 multiply atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus 1 multiply atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 plus 1 multiply atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 3 multiply atomic mass of oxygen is 16. 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 48, that is equal to 84U. U means unified mass. So by the help of the formula of a molecular mass and formula unit mass, we can easily find out of any molecule or any ionic compound. Thank you, students.